Hello everyone, my name is Arpita Banerjee and I am from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. I have completed my BTech Food Technology in Allahabad Agricultural University, also known as SHWATS. Currently I am working as a GAT in Nestle Muga factory.
As we all know, the importance of hand washing in our lives, that how much it is important and why it is needed. Let's take a look to the essential 6 steps we need to follow for the right way of hand washing. First of all, we'll take soap on our palm and a little water and rub the hands with water till lather forms. And then we need to follow the 6 stages of hand rubbing. Step 1, we'll rub the palms together against each other, cleaning the dust and the dirt from the surface of our palms. Step 2, we'll rub the fingers against each other in between the fingers of our palms facing each other. Then step 3, we'll rub the back of our palm and the back of our fingers, removing all the loopholes so that germs could not hide there. Then we'll rub our nails against our palms to clean our nails properly so that nothing keeps hiding there. Then we'll rub the space between our index finger and our thumb, as this is the most ignored part which we usually do not follow. This shouldn't be ignored as there can be quite a number of germs hiding there and being ignored from our point. Then the last step, we'll remove the dust or dirt or any kind of impurities from the wrist of our hands. We'll rub the wrists of both our hands and then we'll wash with water. After thoroughly washing it with water, we will dry our hands using a tissue paper or a hand towel. Only after drying it properly with a towel, we will apply a hand sanitizer. Be careful not to apply the hand sanitizer when the water is still on your palms. This can further invite more germs, as our hands will remain moistened for a longer period of time. The last step is essential to apply our hand sanitizers, as washing hands with soap and water will only eliminate the surface microorganisms but not the spores which keep hiding from us. Therefore, the hand sanitizer part is important in that aspect to kill the spores as well. Now we will show the practical demonstration of hand washing. First of all, we will take soap on our hand and a little water. Then we'll rub this soap against the palms until lather forms. Then we'll rub between the fingers, the step 2, behind the fingers, behind the palm, so that the loopholes are not missed out and the dirt or germs are also removed from there. Next, we'll rub our nails against the palm on both the hands, step 4, between the thumbs and then on the wrists. This we have to do for at least 20 seconds. Now we'll wash it with water so that no soap remains on our hand. After we've washed our hand thoroughly, removing all the lather, we'll close the tap either using a tissue paper or by our elbow. After this, we'll dry our hand. There are certain behavioral and personal cleanliness habits which one needs to follow. The question arises when to wash our hands, and the answer goes like: before and after handling or preparing any food item, Our hands must be washed, cleaned properly. After sneezing, coughing, or scratching any of our body parts, after handling a tissue or handkerchief, after touching your face, hair, clothes, or any body part, after eating, drinking, or even after breaks, after smoking, chewing gums, or after putting gloves on, and anytime you take your gloves off, after cleaning or washing dishes, or even buzzing tables, before serving the food, beverages, setting or waiting for the tables, before and after handling raw meat products, raw poultry, or any other kind of raw foods. And most importantly, after using the toilet, urinal, or any time you visit the restroom for any reason, your hands must be cleaned properly with soap and water, and do not forget the sanitizer. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to wash your hands regularly in this pandemic and taking care of yourselves, maintaining cleanliness and personal hygiene. Thank you.